Look at this, guys. Again, this is updated only. This is a first tree. It's a flowering first tree. I mean, flowering for first fruit tree. I mean, this is what I had here, right into the side of my garden, right into the pins, and it really looking gorgeous. Look at that. I love the flowers tree of the first fruits tree that we had here. Uh, just about after this, I think after flowering on there, I think they start producing into loads of fruits or first fruits, something like that. Yeah, it's a first fruits. I mean, gorgeous looking. Look at that, beautiful. I love watching this as well into the bedroom of my window. It's really looking attractive, looking pretty attractive by watching this. Look at that, gorgeous. I love it. Again, I think just giving another a few more weeks to go, all these kind of flowers start dropping down the ground, and after that the little fruits just about start coming out, really. And that's what it is, you know. But the fruit is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, and pretty sweet, really, because I've been trying this. And also it's producing fruits anyway on flowers every time springtime coming on and summertime. The fruits is really come out nicely. And I think I got to update you guys once the fruits is come out and really looking gorgeous. Once the fruits of first tree will come out, really looking good, really looking good. So I definitely gonna update you guys, and I'm gonna update this again when the fruits come out. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna stay pretty much longer in here. I got to go now. Bye bye.